This is my first party in Mexico, and it's gonna be huge. I made a great live act for the party. It's gonna be 1 hour of live, and I put in my new songs, my second EP, calling called Livestream. I'm getting excited actually when I see all the crowd, you know, they yelling and screaming and waiting for me actually, and it's getting me to be more excited and to show them what I got. You know what I mean? Hello, I'm Shlomi SB Noise, and yeah, we wait for it. And it's gonna be really, really huge. So you should come and you should visit. And I know that you don't gonna regret that. So Viva Mexico, however, and you're gonna see you in the party. So, Viva Mexico.